Tired of sticking markers? Had enough of tangled cables? It's time for Trackit SR. The wireless, markerless, optical tracking 3D scanner. Designed to be compact, lightweight, and robust, with 3 laser modes optimized for different surfaces and geometries. Plus 3 scanning styles: track scan, multi-station scan, and marker scan. Trackit SR is ready for any scanning challenge. Trackit SR uses optical tracking to keep your scans accurately aligned. No markers required, and stable tracking throughout the process. Easily switch between 30 cross lines for fine details, 17 parallel lines for speed, or single line mode for holes and crevices. And yes, it's wireless. Trackit SR is truly wireless. The tracker has its own battery and connects to your PC wirelessly, making multi-station scanning effortless. Its enclosed optical tracking system delivers excellent volumetric accuracy. Trackit SR isn't just a scanner. It's part of a complete ecosystem. Together with Revomeasure, it helps build efficient and reliable quality control workflows and automatically generates complete inspection reports. With Revo Design, reverse engineering becomes fast and simple, allowing you to create CAD models with automatic surfacing. No matter the challenge, black surfaces, narrow pipes, or thin, shiny plates, Trackit SR handles it with ease. Smart temperature control enables quick warm-up and consistent accuracy, while the included CMM ball plate lets you verify scanner accuracy directly on site. Trackit SR is built for tight spaces. Its lightweight, wireless design lets you move freely. Place the tracker anywhere, on a tripod, on a desk, or even mounted on a wall. Worried about PC requirements? Don't be. Trackit SR runs smoothly on mainstream laptops and supports both Windows and Mac OS. Trackit SR brings art and design into the digital world. Even without technical expertise, you can be up and running in minutes. No complicated settings, just choose the object type and scanning mode. Pick up the device and let the software do the rest. Capture up to 2 million points per second for fast, accurate results. Edit instantly with one-click tools and built-in editing features. No third-party software required. Export in 7 industry-standard formats, fully compatible with mainstream 3D applications. Trackit SR also supports full color scanning. Simply capture photos after scanning. If the tracker's line of sight is blocked, if you're using a turntable for smaller parts, or if you prefer to go tracker-free, no problem. The Trackit SR scanner can also work independently with markers. 2 easily swappable batteries and a charging dock keep you powered through long scanning sessions. Scan freely. Move freely. That's the power of Trackit SR.